Hi everybody, I'm coming on here really quick because I received a goodie box. I'm not sure if you guys know what the Daily Goodie Box is, but it is a company that sends out free boxes of stuff to try. So I got mine in right here, and I'm gonna open it and see what is in there. On Facebook, they post every day. They post every day different items of what's going to be in your box. It's just a free sample box that you can get free samples from, and they do give out them for free. I didn't pay anything for this. Didn't pay shipping. I didn't pay for anything. And so let's go ahead and get into what is in this box. And it's a wide variety of things that could be in here. All right. So here you go. You have a little card right here. It says, "You got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside." And it just says, "Remember to log in and share," because there are people that don't believe they give out these things for free. So it comes in this wrapped, and so let's take a look here. The first thing I see is this hydrate. This is electrolyte powder, immune system boost elderberry. So I guess it's Hydro Plus Immune System Boost, contains all the ingredients for fast, effective rehydration, is bursting with vitamin C. Elderberry supports your immune system. So I guess this is like a drink, like you put it in water and it's supposed to make you more hydrated than what just regular water is. So here's that. The next thing I have here is a Romier shampoo bar with neem. So it smells interesting. So here's the packaging. Let's open this up. So here's what it looks like. So let's read the directions. Rub shampoo bar into wet hair. Use fingers to work up lather. Rinse. Condition as needed. Can be used for face and body too. So this is very interesting. It smells interesting. The next thing I have is Eco Lips Hemp Organic Vanilla Mint, and I think it's just a chapstick. So there that is. The next thing I have are paraffin-free, lead-free, phthalate-free vegan birthday candles. So plant-based birthday candles, because you breathe what you burn. So there are those. The next thing is in a little bag here. It is Real Chemistry Environmental Rescue Daily Serum. So what are you supposed to do? I guess it's a skin serum. It doesn't have any direct, maybe it's on the inside. Let's look. Make it difficult to open. Okay, use twice daily before other products for best results. So it's just a face serum. So that's interesting. All right. The next item is always toast before you drink. Toast to your health. For moderate drinking, which I don't. Occasions such as a couple of drinks in the evening, take one serving, which is 5 gummies, before your first drink. Having a bigger night plan, take 2. It helps you and your friends celebrate and feel great the next day. So I guess it's supposed to help hangovers, I guess. I don't know. All right, the next thing I have here is this limited edition Miami Strawberry Caffeine sugar-free and carbonated beverage. And this is from No Carbs Company. And then it looks like the last thing I have here is plant-based tomato jerky and sriracha. That's interesting. I've never heard of tomato jerky. So there is that, and that is everything that came in my box. So I will be trying these things out, some of them, not all of them. And that's that. Thank you guys for watching this little mini box opening. I did get some of the Jeffree Star boxes, so I'm waiting on those to come in, and I will be filming a video on that. And I will see y'all shortly. Bye.